Hey everyone, before we get started today, we need to make sure that you're subscribing to the channel, right? What else should they do?
Like it and share it and comment below.
What are they going to comment on?
Our video.
Comment on our video, but we want you to comment on your favorite flavor combo.
Oh.
Now you have to like this. Over 2,500 people have already subscribed. I don't know why you haven't, but we're glad you're here. So do it now and allow us to restart and welcome you to this week's video.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities.
All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Very special edition. You see, I have
Theresa. Oh my God.
wow.
Did you really just forget my name? No, you didn't.
But we are very excited this week. We're actually in a collaboration with Ian Good and his channel. So if you've been following all football season long, every Sunday he does something really special at hashtag game day appetizers Ian Good. This week we're doing ice cream float, right? But it's going to be with a twist. We're going to put wine in it.
No, we're not. There's no wine in here. Even though it does say Cheerwine, it's actually zero sugar. So ours is going to be a little different than the other entries because it'll be low carb, keto friendly, and sugar free.
But what happened to the wine?
Well, it says Cheerwine.
I've been deceived.
So we are going to be making the drink together. So our first step is to dip our glassware in sugar-free chocolate sauce. So you're gonna take your glass and you're gonna dip it into that chocolate. You swirl it around so that it gets really nice and thick on there. And this is just Hershey's sugar-free chocolate. It tastes so good. It's a great way to indulge this January.
It
while
smells
on a
good.
diet. It
This is
really
sugar-free?
good. It is. It is. It's
that
really
safe?
good. Yes. In moderate quantities, it is safe. The next step is we're going to be taking our ice cream, and you get to choose if you want 1 scoop or 2.
This is vanilla. There's a vanilla bean in there. You can see it.
And this is by Breyers. It's called Carb Smart. So it's really good. It only has 4 grams of sugar per serving. It's really good. And that's for a whole 2/3 of a cup.
I'm just going to do one.
Well, next comes the bit of chocolate sauce. So we have extra chocolate sauce on the plate here. So we're going to use your ice cream scoop if you want, totally optional, to put a little chocolate right over top of the ice cream.
You want this?
Yep. Thank you.
Looks good. All right.
Are you
I'm
gonna
not
do
gonna,
it?
I'm not doing it.
No? So the next part is you want to open up your Cheerwine and pour it over top of your ice cream.
All right. Cheerwine. No wine in here, so I don't know why we're cheering.
I love that.
It smells like grenadine.
Yeah, it's very cherry. So we have
How much do we put in?
You fill it up and just leave a little room at the top because we're going to be putting sugar-free whipped cream on top.
Ooh. Looks like one of my beer pours, everybody.
All right, so last step. We are using Land O'Lakes sugar-free whipped cream. You always want to give it a shake if you've had it open in the refrigerator or not.
You want to give it an everything shake?
And everything shake. Jason and Amber, hello. So we're gonna be doing some whipped cream. You want me to put it on?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm short, so you No, lower.
Okay, that's good.
That's good? Look at that.
Like it. It's got a funky color like a red velvet.
Yeah. So you can, what I like to do is add a little bit of sparkle, because even though you
Sparkles.
are watching what you're eating, you can always add a little sparkle. So this is edible glitter spray. Do you want some?
Let me see it first.
No, pretty?
No. No, I feel like mine is good to go.
It is very pink.
Yours looks nice, but I don't want that on my face.
So you want to take your umbrella?
It's for Cocktail Tony.
Garnish. Yes.
Garnish.
And you're gonna put it on top.
This is not garnish. This is,
It is a garnish.
we can't eat this. But... All right, it's tropical now, everybody.
All right, straws. And a spoon in case you would like it.
Oh,
Spread.
it's definitely a float.
I like it.
Yeah, it does. It has a very interesting flavor to it because
And-
it's like cherry vanilla.
Yeah, with
It's good.
chocolate. Yeah, cherry vanilla chocolate.
Oh, you put the extra chocolate. I didn't do the extra chocolate.
Maybe you need it.
No, I like it like this.
Okay. Well, this is an unusual time and day of the week for us to upload, but it was all for Ian Good.
Yep. Hashtag game day appetizers, Ian Good. That's a lot to type, so we're going to have it in the title, so you can just click into the hashtag and see all the other entries for this week and all of the things that have been done all season long.
Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and be sure to check out Ian Good's channel along with all the other participating channels in that hashtag. You still have one more week to participate, as it is an open collaboration. See you tomorrow.